Have you ever felt like you were nearing the point of being overwhelmed? Who hasn't experienced the feeling of burnout? From that place of being overwhelmed, have you felt there was nowhere to turn? As humans, we are very good at hiding the reality that at times we are way too close to our breaking point. In the midst of our overwhelm, we may even receive compliments that we've never seemed stronger, when in fact we really feel like we are breaking. What if there was a safe space where you could bring your brokenness and experience healing? Coming soon, you can engage in 12-step style groups to avoid succumbing to burnout. Be on fire. Avoid the burnout. Be not consumed.